Hey, what's up, everybody? So I just got off of work and I see my package at the door. It's been a long time since I received a Mary Kay package, like for real, like, cause I don't know. For those that know, y'all know, I used to be a Mary Kay consultant, and some of y'all probably still thought I was, but you know what? I am a Mary Kay girl. I had just let my website terminate or whatever, cause like I didn't keep it active or whatever like that. But now I got some friends that still do it, and one new friend who started doing it, so I supported her and got a couple of things that I needed. So let's open a thing. That's why I got this in my hand. So yeah, and listen, don't pay attention to anything in the background that you see or whatever like that. You know what I'm saying, ain't none of your business. This right here is where you need to be focused. Okay? All right. Let's open this thing. Open! Rip it! Okay, be careful with the knife. All right. Okay, so we got some peanuts up in this joint. We got some peanuts. Oh, I might need these. Oh, okay. Yo, I keep these boxes, right? I will keep these boxes, right? Because when I need to ship out some nail kits or whatever that, you know, people want from me or whatever, you know, boom, nice sturdy box or whatever. Okay. Anyway, so what we gonna do with all these peanuts? I ain't gonna throw them in the floor because then I have to pick them up. But I'm gonna have to pick them up from right here. Some more work. But anyway, so what did I get, y'all? So I got two things. Oh, praise God, look at this. Okay, so I had got two things. I ordered this brow brush. Yes, because I have like all my MK brushes, makeup brushes. But this one in particular, this one don't come in a brush set, but I had to order this. I love, y'all. It has the, you know, this end right here. I guess I should take it out. Come on, man. Okay. So it has this right here, and what I like to do, I remember I used to I need to get my eyebrows arched. It's starting to grow, the unibrow thing. But like even when I didn't have if I did and I wasn't able to go get my eyebrows arched, I would still fix it where it still look arched or whatever with this tool and some concealer. Like, this is my best friend, y'all. I still got lipstick residue. Okay, whatever. I did just eat, so anyway, I just want to show y'all. Oh, the kind of mascara that I got. Mascara, okay? So what I did was get this mascara is lighter. Now, see, I wouldn't get no foundation this light or whatever. Like actually, like, this is the darkest concealer, but it's lighter than the foundation that I use or whatever. But that's one thing that I learned when I was a consultant. You want your concealer to be lighter than a lighter shade than what your normal foundation would be or whatever, because the concealer like can blend in with it and lighten up like any dark spots or whatever. Okay, makeup tip. I'm an MUA now. Not playing. I know MUA. But so yeah, so this is what I ordered. So I ordered these two right here. So let's see what other little goodies that she had put in the box, because she was like, I got you some free samples or something or whatever. You know, she always doing too much, but I love that. So let's see what she had got me. She got me a satin hand cream, the sample size, okay, which is probably going to go in somebody's DIY mini NailCare kit. Okay, so I'm always giving. Anyway, I could keep it for myself, but I'm gonna buy me a full size for myself. And she gave me a sample of charcoal mask, which is, yo, this also can be a gift for somebody else too, or whatever. The charcoal, because I got a full size in the bathroom, and I use it. Like, the charcoal mask is amazing, y'all, for real, for real. What else we got? That's it. That's all we got. Yeah. Oh, and a book. We got a book. We got a book. We got our catalog. Okay, so I can keep up with what's up with the no, it's called a lookbook. It's been so long. It's called a lookbook. So this is the winter 2023, the lookbook. Okay, so yes, thank you so much, girl. That's what she be calling me, girl. But anyway, I love this, y'all. So see y'all later. I got to finish unwinding from my work day, and I just want to share my reaction to. I wanted y'all to open up my my package with me, okay? And y'all see my first reaction to everything. Y'all like my shirt? I DIY my nails, okay? 31 Status Nails and Beauty. That's what I do. I encourage and teach people to get into DIY nail care, cause you can go get your nails done, but like ultimately, it's in your hands. It's your nails is your nails, so your great nails start at home with you. I'm forgetting all my darn. But anyway, bye.